Welcome everyone to Popularity and Price, the video program. I'm going to be testing out a little video format, see what you guys think. If you like the new format, shoot me a message, let me know. Give it a thumbs up, a like, comment below. Here are today's list for Wednesday, November 8th. New highs led new lows, 54 to 42. The S&P 500 continued its streak, as well as the NASDAQ 100. So here's the S&P. We're running into a little bit of resistance here, which I think is to be expected. You see a lot of folks talking about some sort of a pullback, but the Qs look very similar. Qs had their 9th day in a row. Absolutely monster move from those lows. A few of the names we want to spotlight today. F&G Annuities and Life Insurance. The stock was up 14.3% on earnings. It raised its dividend by 5% and increased its buyback program by $25 million, upping it to $50 million. So a nice double there on their share buyback program. Fisker is the notable new low, the worst of the worst today. Let's get this smaller. So Fisker was supposed to report earnings today, and they announced they were postponing earnings, and it will actually come out Monday, November 13th, after the close. Not sure what that means for what the earnings are going to be, but it doesn't seem like it's a great sign. We'll go back to the list here and see if there's any other names that stand out. Most notably, another EV automaker, Lucid Group, lost 8% as well. I don't know if that was a sympathy play. Looks like they reported earnings. Not a stock that you want to be buying. That's for dang sure. Spirit Airlines continues its absolutely menacing move lower. Go back up to the upside. A few names. Yesterday, we touched on Skyward Specialty Insurance. Today, we had another insurance group. Any of these other names that kind of stand out? Let's see here. Let's take a look at VTEX. VTEX. Need a new high on earnings. VTEX is a software as a service digital commerce platform for enterprise brands and retailers. This is a $1.1 billion company based in the UK. If we zoom out, it doesn't look great. So it made a new 52-week high, but nothing I want to be touching. Anything else that jumped out off the page? Let's take a look at KD. Kendall Holdings. Another nasty name. Trapped underneath all this selling, although it looks like it didn't IPO until November of 21. Let's see what these folks do. Nice move up 14% on their earnings. Kendall Holdings operates a technology service company which enables in the provision of infrastructure services, operates as a technology services company which engages in the provision of infrastructure services. It designs, builds, and manages private, public, and multi-cloud environments based out of New York. So this will be one to watch. I don't know if I really want to get involved until probably get to this 19 or 20 level. I think there's just much better names to be in than one of these smaller tech companies. Granted, it is $4 billion. Let's see, anything else that jumps off the page? Axon. Let's go ahead and take a look at Axon. This is a name Howard's been talking about. They make tasers, formerly Taser, and they have all the like police cam recorders. new all-time highs. And what an absolute beast. Gapped up on earnings. We'll see if this gap can hold. That's all we have for today. If you guys like this format, want me to continue doing these, shoot me a message. Let me know. Let me know how I can improve. We're always growing. So have a good night and hope this helps.